Hey everybody, this is Andrew and this is
Aryella.
And we are part of the Our Band fam. And as you can tell, we are here in our festive attire. I like your shirt.
Yeah,
It
thank
looks
you.
pretty. It's nice. And the bow. And so we are here today, and Ari wanted to show everybody what she got for Christmas. And one of those cool things is Disney Legos
Moana set.
The Moana set. Moana, make waves, make waves. Am I singing it right? Did I do it right? No. I'll get it right next time. So we're here, we're going to put this together, but we wanted to give you a little bit of information on it first. We'll go nice and close and show you what's going on and what you get. And it's for ages 5 to 12, comes with about 205 pieces, and it's called Moana's Adventure Island. So Ari and I are going to take our time, we're going to put it together for you and show you everything that comes with it.
And
she's already reaching for the bag of stuff. As you can see, this isn't the bag that actually it comes in. Ari got a little excited before we did this and wanted to open everything up beforehand.
Yeah, and I got it for Christmas.
Yes, you got it for Christmas.
Santa gave it to me.
Santa brought it.
Okay.
All right. So, let's dump it all out. We got everything right here. Maui, is that guy?
No, he doesn't have a face.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, Maui's got a face, but he's not in here.
Yeah, because it's only Moana
Right,
and
Moana.
his pig.
So here's in the pig. All right. So, first off, it comes with 2 books. Yes, for 205 pieces, it takes you 2 books to put the entire thing together. So first off, we're gonna follow book 1, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go through
And
book
then
1.
after book
This looks like it's the
1,
character.
we're gonna do book 2.
Right on the money. All right, sit down. Let's take a look and see what we got. So,
Oh,
okay, we gotta put.
gold.
Well, she's bald. We gotta find Moana's hair. Is that Moana's hair?
Yeah.
Want to put Moana's hair?
Yeah.
Okay, and
She has a little bow.
there
I
is
found
the one.
Moana's
Okay.
pig. What's
All right,
this?
so we're having issues because the table keeps moving. You think we should either?
Yeah. So we had to push the box.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, here, let's put Moana together,
Alright.
okay? So we got Moana. Moana's
And
together,
his
right?
little
And we got a
pig.
flower in her hair?
Yeah.
All right, the
it's
pig's
supposed
together?
to go right here. Guess
Okay.
what? You
Huh.
can put it on our head.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Well, that looks kind of cool.
Because it has a hole.
Oh, wow. Looks like she's going to fly away, huh? But that's Moana. All right, stop hitting the camera, sweetie. All right, so we got Moana together and the piggy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait,
Now.
this is Pua.
Pua.
Pua the pig.
Okay, well, we got a lot of pages here, so let's get rocking and rolling, all right? All right, so the first thing that we need is the green square,
Yeah,
right?
the green square.
And
so
after the green
that's
square-
kind of different because
Yeah.
there's a tiny green square
Right, but
and
let's-
other green square.
So we're gonna use this green square, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we need one of these and one of those. You ready? So let's find the little white one. Boom, got it. All right, and we need, nope, not that one. We need, ooh, one of these. Got it. Actually, yeah, all right. So we're gonna do this. So we have, Ari, what did we finish? So far we have part of it done. Huh? You did a pretty darn good job with that there, princess. Nice job. Took us about 15 minutes to get it all together, and that's part of the set. So we're on to book number 2 now. And first off, let's see. So we're in book number 2. And book number 2.
Look at the back.
Let's see on the back. Oh, yeah.
There's
all this.
all different things you can buy on the back.
Mm-hmm. All a bunch of different Legos.
Yeah.
Let me see. Are those all the ones for the girls? Well, not always for girls, but these are the ones that are for Disney Princess and DC Superheroes and the Elves and Friends. So if you're interested, you can go get those ones instead. Just listen to Ari from the Our Band fam. She told you to get them. And you'll love them.
comment down below to get these.
Okay. And, all right, next we're gonna build this. Ready? Holy cow.
Wow.
So we need this first. And then we need 2 of these brown ones. Dark brown.
Dark brown. Dark brown.
Okay, cool. Good job.
And dark brown.
Oh, good job, good job, good job. Dark brown, dark brown. All right, now we need the gray circle.
Wait, that right there.
Yeah, we need that, and we need this. So I'll put that there. I'll put that one in the middle. It goes back a little further, sweetie. Got it? Here, want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you.
This is the magic shell.
It is?
This is the shell. Yaddies!
Okay.
We fast forwarded because we wanted to. My dad wanted to.
We fast forwarded. What did we fast forward? Oh, the fast motion, you mean?
Yeah.
All right, look. Next, we're gonna build this, and we need an orange one of these, and we need a green one of those. Put a green one here. You tired? Yeah. We can go to bed if you want. You wanna go to bed? No. You wanna do this instead? Okay. So let's see. So we're gonna put this right on top of here. What are you laughing at?
You.
Come on, what did I do? All right, now help me find the yellow one. We need this. Oh, we already have it built. Remember, we just need the bottom gray part.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-oh.
I think I know what that is. I know we're a lot of pieces.
We are, it does look like we are missing a couple of pieces there, doesn't it? Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I'm knocking this.
So we found this piece. Let's find this one right here. We're good? Okay, so that one's gonna go on there, just like that. Yep, good. All
Yeah.
right, next.
Pineapple.
Nope. Oh yeah, the pineapple. Where's the pineapple?
I know, losing the
I
pineapple.
thought I just saw the pineapple. Here's the pineapple.
Pineapple.
Put the green top on the
Pineapple pen. Pineapple pen.
Goofball.
Pen. Pineapple. Pen. Pineapple. Pineapple pen.
All right, sweetie. On to the next one.
Pen. Apple
So
pen.
let's see. We need to do this end. Now look, we need 2 more brown ones. Brown. And, oh, brown. Boom, boom.
Can I put
Okay, yeah,
it
you
in?
put it on there. Here, scoot over this way. Alright guys, so we just finished up everything. As you can see, it comes with 3 separate little pieces. We got the fireplace for the fish.
And there's an extra paddle, and it just fell out. I don't know where it went.
It's okay. And we got the extra paddles right there, sweetheart. And we have,
wait,
and I dropped it.
Oh, that's yeah.
And so we have, trying to put the shell back on here. And we have her other section that we have right here for her to play with.
Let's pretend this is.
This is MOANA'S hut right here that we finally finished. Pretty darn
Hut.
cool stuff.
Not hunt. Hut.
Her hut. Yep, you're right.
I mean her hunt.
And
It's supposed
it does have some extra flowers and stuff left over in case you drop anything, so don't worry too much about it, you guys.
It's okay. You can just set it off the side.
Yeah, so we have all these
I
3
got a good thing.
that we'll
You
set
can
right
put
here.
the
Let's put them
paddle
all
up
right here and
there.
show them, sweetheart. Put
Let's
them all right here.
pretend it's
Okay,
all
okay, we can put
together.
it all together, sure. And so there you have it. And so there was me, Dad, Daddy.
Daddy and
And?
Jill.
Okay, and you are?
Oh yeah, the
our band fam. So if you like the video and you see what we had here for the Legos for the Moana, hopefully you guys had a wonderful Christmas and everything came out amazing for you. And we wish you nothing but amazing things for the new year to come. And if you like and subscribe below, you guys take care, enjoy your week, and be good.